this like the 8th time we've already gotten lost? Because you are directionally challenged. Tell me the truth.
No.
There's Simona asking for directions. We made it to Cape Cod, Ptown. Yay! We're beach hopping, eating lobster, beach hopping, and eating lobster. Pretty much. Wow. Doesn't this look so comfortable?
COD style. She does not understand. It's in your genes. It's from the Grundys. Danielle is wrong.
What? So, Father, what's the best part of your trip so far? What's the second best part of your trip so far?
My daughter. I have been trained to say this.
Anyway.
It's kind of fake news and that kind of shit, but we did Cape Cod. The people they're pretty good.
Is that a Trump accent?
They're pretty good. Pretty good.
Is that a Trump accent or an American accent?
Yeah. So yeah, it's been a good run.
Oh my God.